kailangan natin ng Max Trax para makatulong. May iwasan natin mabalahaw or ma-lessen. Medyo lubog na yung mga Max Trax pero at least helpful sila. And siguro mga 8 Max Trax na yung gamit natin. Ganyan ka-useful yung Max Trax guys. So nakaahon lahat with the help of Max Trax. And less balahaw. Better have it
than need it.
And not have it.
Yes! Max Trax the best. Kasi uncertain kapag off-road situations talaga na tulad nito, hindi natin alam. Bigla pa lang may mga lusak na ganyang kalalim.
Correct.
So una mo talagang option would be to use Max Trax. So kung hindi na talaga, syempre wins na. Pero Max Trax does the job really
Yes
well.
sir.